Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. Danny and I are out here picking our raspberries for the first time, and show them what you got. Okay guys, we picked almost a little container. It's probably about a cup of raspberries. These things, they're awesome. I'm going to show you how Danny picks them and things like that. But this is the first time we've had this many raspberries. And I'm going to show you what they're looking like. We put down the wood chips. If you go back, I'm going to try to link my videos where I put down wood chips and stuff the last 2 years, because this ground was just awful. So let me show you the ground right quick. This is what the ground looks like now. 2 years ago, this was nothing but like this right here. It was just red, this type stuff, red, just rocks and gravel and stuff like this. I added cardboard down. Well, I think I put wood chips, cardboard, more wood chips, leaves, all this stuff we've been adding to it for 2 years. And you can see it's almost like a back to Eden type or lasagna type thing, whatever you want to call it. It's just a Deep South invention because we had lots of cardboard and plenty of leaves and chips. And this is looking awesome. We've moved them. These things will go around. These are the vining type. They've got the briars on them. We've been picking this morning, and eventually they'll take over. We're going to do, one more row up when they get that far probably, but for now, they're just growing like crazy. This is the first year we've had this many on these vines, and they're awesome. And we have 3 rows. This last row we just started putting some little ones in. And we have a huckleberry bush that we're not taking down in the middle of it.
That's how you tell whenever they're really ripe. They come off like that. They just slip right off. They leave the cone on the plant. That one's not ready. That's how they look. Beautiful.
But overall, guys, look at this.
Yeah.
I don't know, a good cup.
A little over a cup. Yeah, a little
over a cup.
Beautiful red raspberries.
Look at that. Pour some in my hand. Isn't that awesome, guys? Those are beautiful. Thank you, guys, from Crazy Days.